In this episode of Far Away, we're going to be spraying the underside of the trunk lid and the hood. We're continuing with the BMW. We're going to be spraying the underside of the hood and the underside of the trunk lid. Now, for the hood, it was messy. There was a lot of grease underneath, so I had to really sand it down perfectly in order for all that grease and grime to be removed from it. But it's done, it's ready, and this is the underside of the trunk lid. It's ready to go. Let's just mix up the sealer and start applying it. But first, I'm gonna use some wax and grease remover just for that extra protection underneath these parts. Also, if you're asking yourself how come I didn't cover the bottom, it's gonna get oversprayed. Yes, it is. It is gonna get oversprayed, but it doesn't really bother me because I still need to finish sanding the underside. Well, actually, it's the side that's going to be facing you, but I still need to sand that. So I'm going to be sanding it again, so that's no problem. Really quick before we start painting, as you can tell, that it's not only BMW, but most of the companies do not spray a lot of paint inside the trunk lid, hoods, and they do not put clear coat. But I am going to paint every single little thing, and I am gonna apply clear coat. So it's a little touch that is done, but it'll look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner, and more elegant. I already applied the sealer, just one coat and it's done. That's all you need, one coat of sealer. That'll cover it up, and try to get it as close as possible to the color of the car. It'll be a lot easier to cover. Now, I've gotten a lot of questions as to how I clean the gun in between, like not coats, but when I'm gonna change the color. Let's say I applied sealer, but I'm gonna be using the same gun to apply the color. I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. And that is it. That's all I do. I just use this little bottle, which is made for this, and I just clean it up. I have lacquer thinner. That's what it's inside the bottle. Lacquer thinner. Everything's clean. We're good to go. Now the cup, you can just discard that one. If you have some paint left over, you can just cap it off and reuse it. But there it is. That's the way I clean them in between each changing of material. There we go. That's 3 coats of base. And we're good to go for the pearl. I am going to put 2 coats of pearl just like the inside of the door jambs. So let's just get to it. Also guys, I am doing a giveaway. Of a paint gun. It's a special edition with my logo on it. So if you want to participate, you got a couple of days left. So go ahead, hit up the channel, look for the video and just comment where you're from and why you like my channel. That's all there is to it. I am gonna choose a winner, I believe, this week. So good luck. Two coats of pearl have been applied. We are good to go. Now comes the clear. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of clear also. There you go. All the products that I'm using is from HiQ Paints. I'm going to leave all the information in the description below where you can get all these materials. And just tell them Far Away sent you. And after a couple of hours of drying, there it is. Nice, glossy, even better than the factory. And this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. Next video is going to be the doors. I'm going to be painting the doors inside and start assembling everything back so that we can paint the exterior. Thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And like always, have a good week, have a good weekend, and I'll see you Wednesday. All right, thank you very much, and like always, God bless.